Hello everyone, this is my review of this waterproof dry bag backpack. It comes in three different colors, blue, green, and orange. Also different sizes of 30L, 40L, and 50L. It has a sturdy carrying handle centered in the back and also comes with two straps so you can hook up and strap it on like a backpack. To seal and secure the bag to make it waterproof, to keep your stuff from getting wet, you just rub the end about 3 times. Then you snap together the quick connect clips so you can make a good seal on it and no water will get in the bag. Okay, we're going to simulate some rain here and test it out how it does against rain. Okay, now I'm going to open up the bag and see how dry it is inside. I have clothes inside to test it out to make sure there's no water inside. And also you can see how deep the bag is, so you can hold a lot of stuff in there. But you can see my shirts and pants and stuff are still dry. And now we're going to go on to a more extreme test. And now for the extreme test. Once again, I'll put my clothes in the bag and you can see they're dry. I'm going to go ahead and seal it up and carry it over and go swimming with it. As soon as it hits the water, it starts to float, and it floats so well that I can't seem to push it down into the water, so you can use this as a backup flotation device, and it works pretty well. It's like very hard to even go. I can't even push it under. It has so much resistance. And while I'm here, I'm also testing out the waterproof phone case that comes with the bag, and you can see I have it in the water submerged, and it keeps the phone dry. So I hope this review helps.